We are pleased to show you the 2014
Lincoln MKS.
This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, universal garage door opener, low tire pressure warning, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.